In today's video, I'll teach you how to open a TFSA account in Canada. So if you want to open the tax-free saving account in Canada, it is actually very simple. So if you want to save and invest your money tax-free, you may open a tax-free savings account. You do not need to have earned income to open or contribute to a TFSA. In order to open the TFSA, you must be a resident of Canada for income tax purposes. You must be 18 years of age or older. Also, you must have a valid social insurance number. So in order to open the TFSA, first of all, what you have to do is simply connect to the banks, insurance companies, credit unions, and trust companies. They can all issue TFSAs with different savings and investment options. In order to open the TFSA, first of all, contact a TFSA issuer. After you do that, they will ask you to provide you some information. What you have to do is simply provide the accurate and complete information. Provide your social insurance number or SIN. Also provide your date of birth in order to confirm your age. You'll also have to provide other supporting documents as requested. The documents will vary according to the issuer. Now, after you provide all these informations, your issuer may then register your qualifying agreements with the Government of Canada. After you do that, your TFSA account will be created. So like this, you'll be able to open the TFSA account in Canada. So that is how you open TFSA account in Canada. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.